I've just broken up an old battery from a laptop. This is the number. Stuck firmly in place. There looks like a little rivet there. So I'm going to drill that out and see if that solves it. Drill in. Of course, I've got to be careful with the toxins. There is chemicals that are inside. Obviously I will dispose of it correctly when I'm finished. There you go. You didn't even see that. Right, so what we've got, so you can see, looks like it's wrapped around several times. Well, I'm going to try to take this whole of this section off here so I can unwind it and see what it looks like properly. So I've just got my hacksaw and cut through the cover, the outer sleeve, and take it apart. See, it feels quite damp inside. So there's obviously some fluid encapsulated inside. Right, so that's that part there. Let's show you. Put it down. Smell is quite strong. Smells like glue. Yeah, it's not very nice. So we've got these several layers here. We have one layer which is copper. Let's see how much is there. It's quite a lot of copper. I wasn't expecting this. It looks quite good. No wonder they're expensive. And we have the inner part. So that will be negative or positive. Don't actually know now. Now I've ripped it apart. Now I've destroyed it. Okay, so that's it really. Got some experiment with the copper. This end here we seem to have a shiny bit here. That I expect to be the other end. What these two coatings are. We obviously have the copper incorporated as well.